So yes, hello friends, today we're talking about Oppo A5. Today is a big update about Oppo, that is that Oppo A5 64GB storage variant launch at a price of Rs 12,999 specification and features. So let's get started. After introducing a new sibling of Oppo A5 dubbed Oppo A5s, the company has launched a new 64GB storage variant of the device. The Oppo A5 64GB storage variant's price has been set at Rs 12,999. 12,990. And Oppo A5, which has launched back in July last year, has now received a new 64GB storage variant. The phone was earlier released in only one 4GB RAM, 32GB storage version, and now the highest storage model has been made available in the country. The new Oppo A5 storage model is now available for purchase via offline stores in the country, while it will be made available via online stores as soon as next week. Its key feature include 6.2-inch HD full view display, dual rear camera setup, and an 8-megapixel selfie camera. The Oppo A5 price has been set at Rs 12,999 for the 4GB RAM with 64GB storage model. On the other hand, its old 32GB storage model cost Rs 11,990 to recall. So friends, I know this video is too short, but I can make a long video. This is my opinion. Let's comment below what is your opinion about this new smartphone. And guys, please like this video and comment on below if you like this phone or not. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take my star. Bye bye.